Hi guys, this is Vic and welcome to Video Profit X. And in this video, I'm going to share how you can make money with videos or how you can make money with YouTube. Okay, it's the same in videos in general or YouTube in specific. Okay, so let's get started. Now, there are different ways to make money from videos, maybe on YouTube or anywhere else. Maybe it's on any other platform, but these are the specific ways that you can make money on YouTube. Okay, so the first one is AdSense revenue. Okay, and I'm going to touch upon all of them in the coming slides, but just keep a close watch. Second one is sponsorships. Third one is affiliate marketing. Fourth one is selling your own products and services. And the fifth one is doing T-shirt campaigns. Okay, so these are mainly, the 5 ways in which you can make money with videos on YouTube. Okay. Now moving forward, AdSense. Now all these ways of making money on YouTube, all these types of different ways that you can make money, they'll all have some pros and cons. Okay, so I'm going to discuss all of them with you right now. So the first one is AdSense. Now when I say AdSense, it's basically the ads that come on YouTube and you make money with this. But the first thing that you need to do to activate this revenue stream is you need to enable the monetization in your channel. Okay, now that is not just enough. After that, you need to hit a specific number or on both the subscriber base and of course the view base. Okay, it keeps on changing, so I don't want to give you the number right now. Go Google it up for yourself right now, how many number of subscribers and how many number of views YouTube wants for you to actually start earning from AdSense. Okay, but in a nutshell, basically you need to hit a specific number as prescribed by YouTube. It just changes time to time. Okay, so just check out what the number is right now. So you need to enable it, and then you need to see if your channel is hitting the right number of subscriber base and the views that YouTube wants in order to send revenue for AdSense. Okay, now the third thing is you must have good content if you want to really make money. This money is not huge, guys, but if you really want to make money with monetization, then you need to have more engaging videos on your channel. And so for that, you need to have good content coming on your channel regularly. Okay, then you must be consistent. This is very important. If you upload a video today and then you forget it for the next 2 months, it won't happen. Okay, you need to be consistent, maybe every single week or every 3 days or even every 15 days. But I think weekly is great if you can just start off with that way. But be consistent with your videos. Okay, then you must monitor the performance of your videos. Check out what kind of, which videos are doing better and which are not. And if some videos, if you can just find out a trend that is working better for you in your channel, then just stick to that trend. Okay, because obviously what you want is you want to put in all the efforts to create a video that gets engaging views. Okay, and so you will make money with this. So please keep a regular monitor check. Okay, that's what you need to take care of when it comes to AdSense. Now let's move to sponsorships. Now sponsorship, as the name suggests, you need to have sponsors. People pay you for advertising their product or service in your videos. Okay, so what you can do is, the first thing that it happens is reach out. Now people are going to reach out to you either from YouTube or from any store that they reach out to you. Okay, or you reach out to them. It's either ways. Okay, so which sponsor you should reach out to, that's a question. Second, so then we have the second thing, that is spying on the competitors. So you just spy on the competitors, see what sponsors are they referring to in their videos. You can just reach out to them and you tell them, okay, I have a channel and I've got these many subscribers, this is my view count, so would you be interested? Simple. Okay, then the third one is referrals. So referrals is like, if you found one sponsor and then he's happy with you, and then you can ask for a referral from that sponsor. Okay, do you have a friend or you have some other associates who would be interested? Can I get their contact details? Awesome, they give you one, you win. And then we have obviously cold calling. So if whatever niche channel you have, okay, so Relating to that, you just start emailing the related companies in your market or in your industry, or you just start calling them, and boom, you tell them that I can advertise for you. And this really works. The affiliate marketing. So basically, in this affiliate marketing, you can do anything. You don't need a product, you just collect your links, and there's so many ways that you can get your affiliate link. There's so many videos out there, just watch that. I'm also going to create another one. If you want, just watch that on my channel, and let me know in the comment if you need a video that helps you get your right affiliate links. Please let me know in the comment and I'll create one for you. Okay, so you can sell digital products. So there's so many marketplaces out there, like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus. Then this, I mean, I'm talking about only internet marketing, but there's so many other marketplaces out there that you can find products to promote in your videos. Then another big resource is Amazon. Now Amazon has an affiliate program. You can just promote any Amazon product on YouTube and you earn a commission. The great news is with Amazon, when you are promoting a product and somebody clicks on the link in the description box, your Amazon affiliate link, on the when somebody clicks on those links and they reach out to Amazon, maybe they don't buy that product on that day, but don't worry, because your links are cookied for that particular customer. And if they go and buy some other product inside Amazon for a specific period of time, then boom, you make a commission from those other products as well. Okay, so this is huge, guys. So selling Amazon product is great. Now selling physical products, there's certain products that you can sell and you can still earn commission. They're against sites and marketplaces. I personally love the digital products and the Amazon product because it's completely the delivery is never a problem. The payouts are more, and it's super simple. It's super simple. So so let me know in the comment if you need to learn more about how to do all this, and how to sell on YouTube these affiliate products. Then I'll create a special video for you. Okay, so but affiliate marketing is awesome. Okay, now moving forward, we can sell our own products and services. Very self-explanatory. You can sell your digital products and you can sell your physical product. Whatever product you have, just create a video on YouTube. Create multiple videos on YouTube talking about the benefits of those products, talking about the features of those products, talking about the customer experience of those products. You can ask YouTubers to do a review for your videos, and you can basically interview some team members of yours, and you can create videos again and again. And so you can do anything. You can do anything. You can show a demo, you can show a review, whatever. So you can create videos for your products or services, and that is how you sell your physical products or your own products. Then this is another big one, and you can have T-shirt campaigns. Now these T-shirt campaigns are very, very famous and they're very old, but they really convert well. Okay, so you can sell T-shirts and you can just Google it up. There's specific marketplaces who just design T-shirts. You can just design T-shirts and they do all the delivery and everything. Then you can have specific campaigns. Basically, you can have specific campaigns for a specific period of time. Like you can have it for 5 days, 3 days, or you can have evergreen campaign. The different sites working on this, like they have some specific campaigns and they have some evergreen campaigns. So that is how these are taken care of. But this is huge and you can really work on it. Okay, now moving forward, that is it for this video, guys. These are the ways that you can make money on YouTube. Let me know in the comment. Please leave a comment and let me know what is your favorite profit strategy. Do you want to go with affiliate marketing? You want to go with T-shirt campaigns? You want to go with Adsense? You want to go with sponsorship? What? And if you're already doing something, please leave a comment and let me know, so that I really know that I have some real people watching these videos. Okay, so let's connect, and I really am super excited that I shared this with you. Let me know what are your thoughts. Please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll just see you in the next video. See you there.